Hey y'all, it's American Mom. What do you do on a snowy, cold, dreary winter day? You stay in and you watch some videos. So I'm going to do that right now. First video I'm going to watch is Miss Regine Velasquez, Asia's Songbird, and she is with my TNT boys. They're going to be singing We Are the Champions. All right, let's do this. Look at her in those jeans. She has her long hair again. I like this. Listen to them harmonizing. Oh, there's kids back there too. Yes, y'all do. Oh boy, I think that was going into We will rock you, wasn't it? The video cut off. That's okay. That was really good. I'm not sure when this concert thingy special took place, but it was after they won and then maybe before their concert. Something like that. I don't know why I need to figure it out. It doesn't matter. That was really good. I love seeing Regine again. She had her cut jeans on and just, she's so beautiful. But she can wear an elegant dress or she can wear that and shoot. That was really good. She can kill that Queen song too. I really enjoyed that. Thank you for watching it with me. Until the next video and the next time. Bye.